All right, so I just got this Hawk 250. It's a 2019, and I was just troubleshooting an idling issue. It just did not want to run an idle, and I hadn't rejetted the carburetor yet, so I was just kind of blaming it on that. But it was kind of sporadic, and then I reached down while it was running. I kind of pushed on where the carburetor is, where the intake is, and it made the idle change. And I knew instantly I had a problem when that happened. And this is one of those things that quality control obviously is not there. It's not the same as you get on a Japanese bike. So these are those things you got to look out for. So luckily I went to take the carburetor off to rejet it. I looked at the intake here, it's rubber, and then I saw this. So if you can see, yeah, that's a huge crack all along the outside of the intake. And I first noticed it on the inside. I noticed that the rubber is not uniform on the inside of the intake. And then this huge crack. And then if I pull it apart, you can see right through to the inside. So obviously that is letting a bunch of air in to the engine, leaning it out, making it run like crap randomly as it heats up, expanding. And that explains a whole lot about why I just could not get this thing to run right. So luckily, this little part right here, you can buy it on Amazon for like $9. It's a pretty universal part for a lot of different Chinese engines. So I'll leave a link for that in the description. But little stuff like that, you gotta keep that in mind. I'm not even gonna probably bother the person I bought it from. It's just $9. Just gotta wait a few days to get the part in the mail. So keep that in mind. We'll see you later.